The competition is heating up on Dancing with the Stars. We'll tell you which star was sent packing. Hey everyone, I'm Ashley Roth for GossipCenter.com. After failing to impress the judges with his skills in the ballroom, Victor Ortiz and his pro partner Lindsay Arnold became the latest duo to be voted off Dancing with the Stars on Tuesday night's results show. Scoring just 18 out of a possible 30 points for their individual dance in Monday's competition, viewers had the option to save Victor or former Bachelor Sean Lowe. And when the final results came down, it was the boxer who got the boot. Gracious in defeat, Ortiz said, "I had a blast. I made great friends. At the end of the day, it was a heck of an experience. I'm happy to get this far." Ready to get back to dancing in the boxing arena, Victor tweeted on Wednesday, "Sad to say goodbye last night. All the best to the cast. On the road now to my next World Championship." In addition to the night's elimination, Justin Bieber and will.i.am performed their new single, That Power. Although the Biebs couldn't make it to Los Angeles, he belted out the verses through a pre-taped video. Meanwhile, country singer Kellie Pickler and Disney star Zendaya Coleman continue to dominate the top of the leaderboard. For the latest Dancing with the Stars news, click GossipCenter.com.